Really?
It won't fit her fat bum in there. Surely.
Sit down.
No way. Oh my god, we've got a built-in dog area. More owners need to know about this. That's brilliant. Is that your place? Is that yours? Is it?
Yeah. That's really good.
Yeah, we can just connect it to the table.
And then it frees up all this space, doesn't it?
Yeah, that's amazing. So the other, can you do the other? Yeah, do the. Yeah, it's going to have to be taken all apart just to see if there's. I absolutely do want you to do that. Thank you. Okay, so the headrest has to go on. Fold it down for it to be a bit more stable. For the dog area. Fab idea.